Good morning, everyone. Myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about Ansible ad-hoc command with examples part. Okay. Earlier we saw that part 1, right? Now we see the part 2. Let's see the demo. Okay. Using modules and arguments, we can copy from one location to another location, one of the file or directory. Okay. Usually, what we will do? Can you please tell me? Usually, if you want to copy this example, I have created one file, Murali file. I want to copy this file to the OPT directory. Basically, what we will do, we will use CP command, right? Copy from one location to another location. Same thing, using ad-hoc command, we can copy this file to the OPT directory. Let's see. Okay. For that one, Ansible. Okay. I'm giving the localhost mean same server. Okay. Here I'm giving the -m. Remember, for module, copy module we have to use. If you want to copy the file, you have to use the copy module. -m module name is copy, and then you have to give the -a is nothing but arguments, double quotation. Remember, here if you want to copy, you have a source and destination, right? Same thing here also. -a argument src. src is nothing but source. The source file name is Murali, right? I'm giving the Murali. Okay. Then space dest. Dest is nothing but destination. Is equal to, you have to give the destination path. Example, I'm giving OPT. Example, I'm giving OPT. Got it, right? Example, I'm giving OPT. Just you can run it -y. What will happen? Whatever this Murali file, it will be pasted in destination server. Remember, I'm telling Ansible localhost means same server -m. I'm using the copy module and I'm passing the arguments. For copying, we have a source and destination, right? Same thing here. Source is equal to the file name and destination is equal to OPT. I'm giving the -y. Sorry, we don't require -v, not y, -vvv. VV is nothing but verbose. It means it will be show the entire information, what is going on in background. We can able to see the verbose. Okay, just enter. Now, if you see here, this particular file is copied. Okay, now the particular file is copied. This is the Murali file. It is copied. Now we can, in this destination server, inside the OPT directory, it is copied. Now I'm going to the OPT directory. Now, if you can verify here, the Murali file is scanned. What is that? Now, what I want to do here we have a AWS directory, right? Inside the OPT directory, I can copy this directory to the root directory. Okay, using Ansible ad-hoc command. Let's see. Ansible localhost. Okay, -m. I'm using the copy module. -a argument. I'm giving here src. src is nothing but source. I'm giving the AWS. Okay. Dest is nothing but destination. I'm giving the root directory. Okay. It means this particular AWS directory, it will be copy the file from source to destination. Okay. Then I'm giving the -v. Just what is going on in background, we can verify. Okay. Now see here, it will be copied. It will be done. Now it will keep on going. The reason is, just copy it or stop this one. If you see here, just keep on going. The reason is it is directly, right? That is the reason it is keep on going. It is not copied. Now, if you see here, it is copied to root directory. Now I'm going to the root directory, /root. Now, if you verify here, the AWS directory is copied. Okay, got it, right? If you want to copy any file or directory, not only file directory, if you want to copy tar file, zip file, using ad-hoc command, we will use the module is copy module. Okay, there are a lot of modules will be there. Okay, we use the M module and copy module. And when you write the Ansible playbook, I will use another modules also. Okay, we can see more details on Ansible playbook. But the main intention of using ad-hoc command, if you want to run single task, okay, we can use the ad-hoc command. This is the interview level, very important thing. But when it comes to the real time, we won't use much because we will be write the Ansible playbook only. But in interview level, they will ask question like, what is the main intention of using Ansible ad-hoc command? If you want to run single task, we can use the Ansible ad-hoc commands. We have 3 ways to use it. One is module and arguments. The second one is modules only using arguments. Okay. Got it, right? In case they may ask some example, can you please write the command? You have to write example Ansible localhost means same server I want to run it, and you can give that -m module name is M module. You can -a, you can give the particular name is equal to the particular package name. Okay, state is equal to whether present, latest, or absent. Okay, got it right? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.